Welcome to the demo of the 24C feature, Create Shift Notes during work execution at a workstation for operator handoff. Production operators can now leave shift notes at their workstations for the next shift operators. After checking into your workstation, you can record notes both before and after completing work execution. You can optionally use AI assistants to help with the text and format of the notes. Shift notes facilitate smooth handoff of work to the next operator. When operator in subsequent shifts check into the workstation, they can see the handoff notes in the workstation's activity feed and be better prepared for their tasks ahead. This demo shows how an operator can submit a handoff note after execution of a work order operation, use the AI assist function to format the text, and how subsequent operators can view the notes. I am launching Execute Production at a Workstation task in Work Execution Work area as the production operator Scott Hooper. Here, I check into the assembly workstation number 6. This was pre-selected for me because I have previously executed production at this workstation. To learn more about execution of work order operations at workstation, watch the demo recording of the feature Execute Production at a Workstation and Automate Resource Transactions. Now coming back to the demo, here I select my operation, report progress, and after I am done with execution of work order operation that I was tasked with, I want to share notes about an issue I faced with the temperature controller. My colleagues who would be using this workstation after me would find it useful. I click on the Add Note icon, enter my note, I use the AI Assist option to make the format of the note better and more concise, and then I save the note and check out from the workstation. Now, the next operator to perform execution at this workstation, Tim Adams, launches the task Execute Production at a Workstation, checks into the workstation, and before starting execution of a work order operation, Tim views the notes left by Scott. After reviewing the notes, Tim is now better prepared to use the workstation. This concludes the demo for this 24C feature. To learn more about executing work order operations at a workstation, watch the demo recording of the feature Execute Production at a Workstation and Automate Resource Transactions. Thank you.